Alright, so here is the best way on how you can download Snapchat videos to Gallery. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you just simply open up Snapchat. And once you're inside Snapchat, what you need to do is simply press on the corner, your avatar or your icon, whatever. Once you press on it, in the corner you'll be able to see a gear or setting icon. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you gotta scroll down until you find the option of memories. Just go ahead and press on memories. Right over here you'll see the option of save destinations and your save button. Just go ahead and press on save button, and right over here you gotta make sure that your save button is set to memories and camera roll, or camera roll if you directly want to save the videos to your gallery, not memories. But I would prefer choosing memories because it would save twice in my Snapchat memories and my camera roll. So I'll just go back, and once this is done, now I'll take a video. Once the video is taken, I'm just gonna go ahead and press on the download, and here as you can see it says saved. So if I go to my gallery, here as you can see it is the same video that I downloaded. And yeah, this is pretty much it.